We all send Word document to other people, not worrying if they can read it or if they receive the image. Let me show you what I mean. Here is a Word document that I used with lorem ipsum and an image. If I send this file as is, save it and send it to someone, they will receive the text as well as the image, because the image is embedded into the program. It is inside the Word document. The font that I used, Bookman Old or the paragraph font Articulate, I know for sure that other users may not have. Still, I am going to send the file without any problem, because Word will automatically pick Times Roman for the Bookman Old and Arial for Articulate. So when you save a Word file and send it, you do not have to worry about how the image and the font is going to look. But when you send an InDesign file, I have the same file with the same fonts and the same image. When I send this file, I will have to pay attention to three things. One, the green arrow and the links folder. What happens when you send without paying attention to these two things is that the receiver is going to get a message saying that file image is missing, font is missing. Let me show you what I mean. This is an image that I have it in a folder called sample folder. Sample folder. This is the image. I'm going to cut this image, create a new folder, image, and paste it. Right? Do you see how I have in my links panel, which you can get it through the Windows links panel? I have a error message, and the InDesign document itself is showing me an error message, and I have this error message. So before even saving the file to send it to me or to someone, you pay attention to these things. And if you click on this red button, it will show you what is wrong. Missing link, that means the picture is missing. So what do? You need to go back to the link panel and click this link button. See, this one relinks to your CC libraries, this one relinks to your folder. If you click it, it is looking at the sample in DD and it's not there. So we are going to go back and find the image folder. Here it is. Once you link it, the error message in 3 places goes away. So make sure that you check all these 3 places, and instead of just saving the file and sending the folder, go File, Package. This is mainly for people who are communicating with their printer. But when anyone sending an InDesign document with images and different kind of fonts, it is advisable that they use this option. This option does two things. One, it shows you what are the things that you are going to send, and it is going to package your images and fonts in a proper way so that you don't have to worry where your images, which font you used. It is giving you a summary, and it is saying there is a link image and there is fonts, and then if you click on the fonts, it's giving the two fonts and it is saying they are not protected, so I am okay to send it. If these fonts are protected, when I copy it, it will give me a warning message, and in the link image it says there is one image that needs to be linked. And this information is for the printer, because what the designer sees in his desktop, the printer will be able to print it with this specification. We are not going to worry about it, about the color, inks and the print setting and the external plugins, because we are not going to use it. Once you press package, it is going to ask you to save the file, and it is going to bring up a window of instructions. Who is this name, contact information and address and email address, and other instructions a designer will put it for the printer. You do not have to do this if you are sending it to the class or someone. Only if you know what are your specific instruction to a printer, you can do that. So, or you can fill this information and press continue. It is bringing up a place where you want to save it. You want to create file, new folder, class assignment, and then press package. There are a lot of options. Make sure the copy fonts, copy linked graphics, update graphic links, and then if you have other things, you can check them, but I suggest that you not worry about it, and then press package. It is going to give you a warning about fonts that you are distributing if it is not copyrighted and it's not yours. Press OK. Let's go and see our class assignments. Desktop, class assignments. You can see the InDesign has created a InDesign file, a PDF, and links where the image is there, and the fonts that go with it. Make sure you package your InDesign files this way and then zip them and send it to me. That way, or send it to anyone else. That way the fonts and the images go with your InDesign file.